A little trick to get the weight into place is start with it on your knee. You're going to then kick your knee up to get the weight near your shoulder, and then also the other one as you're laying back at the same time. And then that's going to create some momentum and make it easier for you to get into the proper position for a chest press. Start with both dumbbells above your face, and then you're going to lower one at a time with your elbow going out at a 45-degree angle. You'll notice immediately when you lower your arm, you're going to feel your body almost tilt and it feels like you might fall off the bench. So make sure your feet are planted, your core is nice and tight, and even go a little bit slower until you get used to that feeling. With your elbows, again, we want to make sure that it's at a 45-degree angle. Do not lower your arm with it straight out to the side like this. That's going to put a lot of pressure on that shoulder joint and use more shoulder than chest. So you want to make sure that you bring that a little bit down at a 45-degree angle. When you're done with your reps, you're going to bring your knees up to the dumbbells and you're going to rock all the way to a standing position. So here again, I'll show you that one more time. Bring your knees up, rest your dumbbells on those knees, and then rock right up to a standing position.